Look at the given pictures and write their names with the help of help box. Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Dashera.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.